Basically, and I was like, yeah, actually, even I see myself doing it. And see, who will be able to unfiltered would be Twinkle.
Friends? Who says these are friends? We behave like insurance agents. We got them on our show.
You
Very much. We're going to get some mics to you, ladies. Hi. Is this really happening? Because I think I manifested this. Or let me correct myself. I manifested this. This is amazing, girls. Thank you so much for joining me. As the host only for today, I want to start by welcoming the both of you. I have to say that this pairing is super interesting, but I want to ask you, what made each of you think, yaar, humne kafi aapas mein baat kar li hai. Let's get some friends and let's make this a whole show on Prime Video. How did that happen?
So basically, like Mrinalini said, she came to me with this idea that, I would love to we would love to take this and, put a female gaze on it. And there's like, we see you doing this. And I was like, yeah, actually, even I see myself doing it. and, I think universally, we all were like, oh God, the only person that we can see, who will be able to give us the sarcasm and the unfiltered things that we want to say but never do would be Twinkle. And, that's how it all came together. Of course, we've known each other for a while, but no, we've never collaborated on anything. So yeah, it was great fun. And the BTS is way more fun. I just want to tell you that.
Oh my God. Okay. Twinkle.
And you said that we called our friends. Who says these are friends? They're not. I mean, we behave like insurance agents and telemarketers. We made cold calls. Whoever said yes, we got them on our show.
Oh my
and that's how we're here.
That is Twinkle for you. This is amazing. Okay, fun question. You can respond as you feel like. How much is too much, ladies? We'll start with you, Twinkle.
Individually, we've always been too much, and together, I think we are.
I think you
so much.
I think we leave it up to your imagination. I don't think I want to put a limit on it and say itna hi hoga. Isse definitely zyada hi hoga.
That is amazing. Okay, yeah, I think that's awesome. Okay, so you've already kind of responded to this, but I'm going to ask you again. How does one make the short list to your show? If they want to sit in front of you, they want to be questioned by you, and they have not you, but two. So how does that happen?
If we have their numbers on the phone or not.
I can't believe they're saying this again and again. Twinkle.
There were only two things they had to do. They had to be breathing, and they had to kind of be available. That's it.
This is
and we call them.
This is hilarious.